Hello and welcome! If your Tecno Spark 6 Go or Tecno Spark 6 Air has stopped playing sound through the speaker and keeps showing the headphone icon even though no headphones are connected, don't rush to assume it needs an expensive repair. In most cases, this issue is caused by a minor software glitch or dirt inside the headphone jack, and you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes. First, restart your phone completely. After rebooting, the system checks all connected devices again. If the problem was caused by a temporary Android glitch, the headphone icon should disappear as soon as the phone finished starting up. If that doesn't work, plug in a pair of regular wired headphones. Insert the plug all the way into the headphone jack. Gently rotate it a few times and then carefully remove it. In many cases, this is enough for the phone to correctly detect that the headphones have been disconnected. Next, inspect the headphone jack carefully. Dust, pocket lint, or even a small amount of moisture may be trapped inside. These contaminants can interfere with the contacts and cause the phone to remain stuck in headphone mode. Carefully clean the jack using a wooden toothpick or blow it out with compressed air. Avoid using metal objects as they can damage the contacts. You should also check your Bluetooth settings. Sometimes the phone automatically reconnects to wireless headphones that were previously paired. Turn Bluetooth off temporarily and check whether sound returns to the main speaker if the issue still persists. Boot your phone into safe mode. This allows you to determine whether the headphone mode is being triggered by a third-party app. If everything works normally in safe mode, uninstall any apps you installed shortly before the problem appeared and test the phone again if none of these methods solves the problem. The most likely cause is a hardware issue. It could be a damaged headphone jack, corrosion caused by moisture, or another internal fault. In that case, it's best to have the phone inspected and repaired by a qualified technician.